Welcome back to Morgborg Tech. I've got another quick unboxing here. I bought this because I thought it was a rather interesting phone. This is a Samsung FlipShot for Verizon that I bought from my trusty eBay seller that I bought my last quick unboxing phone from, the LG AX4270, if you don't remember. I want to say I paid about $5 for this. This phone is untested and does not come with a battery, so I will test this phone at some point to see if it works or not. Hopefully it works. I took a bit of a gamble in buying this, so I'm hoping it pays off. Got shipping information on the other side. Got this little tube here. Let's see if I can just pull this out here. There we go, nice and easy. So you can see this phone is rather dirty. Not in the greatest shape, but look at this camera, 3 megapixels. And you'll see why this is called the FlipShot. Maybe. Okay, so it looks like it flips in only one direction. When I try to flip it like this, it doesn't work. Like this, we got our results here. So you can see, display has some scuffing from the buttons. Hopefully those screens are not damaged at all. Again, this phone is untested. Phone closes like this. Looks like you can record this. Would have probably been a decent recorder for a phone back in the day. I'm sure it wouldn't even compare to today's equipment. Not even close. Rubbers are intact. This one takes a proprietary Samsung charger. Looks like this is to remove the cover. SCHU 900, no SD card. So I'm not sure if I have this battery or not. I will find out. So that's a quick unboxing of a Samsung FlipShot for Verizon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.